Let's talk about Earth's surface. What is Earth's surface? Earth's surface is defined as the part of the water or land that touches the air above it. The surface is the part of the Earth that we interact with. The crust is the outermost layer of the rock that surrounds Earth's mantle. The crust covers the entire planet, including the part that lies under the ocean. The total surface of the Earth is about 510 square kilometers, is below sea level, and covered by ocean water. What is Earth's surface made of? The Earth's surface is made up of the three different layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. First is crust, the rigid outer shell of the Earth composed of solid rock, very thin, average only 20 kilometers thick. There are two types of crust. This one, oceanic crust. Most abundant consists of rock-formed mafic magma, very dense, very thin, 10 kilometers thick. Next is continental crust, the other side. Underlies continents consist of rock formed from felsic and intermediate magma less dense than oceanic crust, 30 to 50 kilometers thick. Next is mantle. This one. The mantle lies below the crust and is up to 2,900 kilometers thick. It consists of hot, dense iron and magnesium-rich solid rock. The crust and the upper part of the mantle make up the lithosphere, which broken into plates both large and small. Next is the core. The core is the center part of the Earth and it's made up of two parts. First is outer core. This one is a fluid layer about 2,260 kilometers thick, composed of mostly iron and nickel that lies above the Earth's solid inner core and below its mantle, responsible of generating the planet's magnetic field. Because the outer core moves around the inner core, Earth's magnetism is created, which due to the lower pressure than existing at the inner core are in the liquid form. Next is inner core. Here it is the innermost geological layer of planet Earth, primarily a solid ball with a radius about 1,220 kilometers, which about 20% of Earth radius or 70% of Moon radius, believed to be composed of an iron-nickel alloy with some other elements. The temperature of the inner core surface is estimated to approximately 3,800 Fahrenheit, which is about the surface temperature of the Sun. The pressure is nearly 3.6 million atmosphere. And here's the conclusion. One way that scientists study Earth's interior is to study the seismic waves produced by the earthquake. By measuring the speed of seismic waves as they travel through different kinds of materials, scientists infer or draw conclusions about the basic structure and materials of Earth's interior. An earthquake produces both primary P waves and secondary or shear S waves. The one important difference P and S waves is the shear waves cannot travel through liquid, for example, Earth's outer core, like primary waves can. By taking and analyzing thousands of measurements of the time it takes for S waves to travel from an earthquake to a receiver, scientists have produced three-dimensional models of Earth, crust, and mantle. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below for your thoughts, and subscribe. That's all. Thank you. Lalika.